right, Michael, I'm just eyeballing this. This is some pineapple and some cran-raspberry juice for a summer spritz. And it's gonna be a great way to wash down those brownie bars, Michael. And now I'm just gonna top it with some ginger ale. Then just add a little peach nectar and stir it all together. You can get all these recipes and more at foodnetwork.com. Taste this, see what you think.
Delicious.
I think it's mighty, mighty good. All right, now, Michael, I'm just gonna garnish it with a little pineapple.
Make it healthy.
Well, I'm gonna make it pretty. You know, it's important that it be pretty. All right, here.
Thank you.
You got to have your little wedge of pineapple.
I feel like I'm in Costa Rica.
We're getting you ready. You like it?
That's good.
Good.